it's Melody with Design by Melody, and I am here with my February kit that I'll be reviewing for February 2018, and this one is coming to you from Scrapbooking Store, and it's scrapbookingstore.com. I always had to remember there's no "the," it's just scrapbookingstore.com. So I'm going to share with you the details of this kit, what came in the kit, and then of course, you know, over the next couple weeks or so I'll be doing process videos with this kit, and then I'll do a killer kit video for you at the very end to kind of give you an overview of what I used, what I had left, what I created, and kind of my thoughts on the kit. So first thing, this Scrapbooking Store kit came in this really sturdy hard envelope, so that was really nice. It was not bent or anything like that. It was very well protected. So the details. This is a monthly 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit, and it's not going to be on pink paper online, of course, but the details of this kit are going to be posted on my blog, which I always link the description, link that in the description box below, and it's my kit review resource guide, and I have the details of all the kits that I've reviewed in there, plus every month I'm adding to it since I'm actually reviewing a different kit every single month, so make sure you go check this out. So this is not complete, of course, because I don't have results yet and I don't have links to it yet. But I ordered this on February 8th. I don't actually have the day that it came in. I wish I... Oh, no, I do know what day it came in. Hang on. It came in on Friday, February 16th. So I ordered it on the 8th and it was delivered on the 16th. I'm going to actually write that down so I don't forget that. 2/16/18 is the date it was delivered. Okay, and the total of this kit is $22.99. So I actually purchased two parts of it. So it's a monthly 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit. There's a main kit and then there's an add-on. And so this is a fairly inexpensive kit. But you will also see you don't get quite as much in this kit as you do with some of the other kits, but it's also a lot more cost effective. So if you're a person that likes to get new products every month but doesn't necessarily need a ton of new stuff and can't spend or don't want to spend $40 to $50 a month, this is really a good alternative for you. So the main kit, if you just do it month by month, is $15.99, and it does auto renew, so you have to be careful when you order. If you don't want to auto renew, make sure you pay attention to how to cancel that. There's also a gift kit option as well, so if you want to give a kit to someone as a gift, that's an option, and you have the option to choose on that one. Do not auto renew or do auto renew, so just pay attention to that whenever you're checking out. If you do a 3-month prepay subscription, it ends up being $15.66 a kit. If you do a 6-month prepay subscription, it ends up being $15 a kit, and if you do 12 months prepay, it ends up being $14 a kit. So somewhere between $14 and basically $16 a month you can get the main kit. Now there is, as far as I can tell, it's US only. The shipping price is included in the kit, so that $15.99 for the 1 month includes the shipping. So that really means that you're not even paying the full $15 for the kit. I'm trying to see if it says how much my shipping was. No, it doesn't actually say how much my shipping was, so I don't know how much of that $15.99 was my shipping. But as far as I could tell, it's US only. Release date, it's monthly, but it does, so it renews on the anniversary of your sign-up date. So there's a new kit each month, and it's supposed to be a calendar month. So from the 1st to the 31st is basically one kit. But if you sign up on the 15th, then you're going to get your kit every month on the 15th. Or it's going to ship every month on the 15th. Let's see. Shipping is approximately 5 to 7 days from the date you place your order, and then on each month afterwards, it will charge you on the same day that you signed up. And then, of course, the packaging and shipping will be shortly after that. I'll show you what came in the month in the main kit, and then I also have you have the option for an add-on embellishment kit, which is $7 a month, which is why mine was $22.99. But again, that all includes the shipping, so it's $22.99 for all of this, including the shipping. And it says you can cancel at any time. But if it's a gift, it says, but unless it's a gift, it will auto-renew. So you just have to make sure. And it says to cancel by email, and it's info@scrapbookingstore.com. Oh, and after I checked out, there's a one-time shop discount code, which is given to you, and it's for past and reduced kits for sale. So that's something interesting to look at as well. Okay, what came in the kit? You get a main kit, which is basically paper, and then a sticker sheet. And from what I can tell, it's very similar from month to month. And then the embellishment kit, I have 3 embellishments. And then you also with each kit, get a project inspiration sheet, which I've always found these very interesting. I don't know why I don't ever think to use them, but I do find it interesting that it sends you like a product inspiration sheet, and on the back side it tells you everything that came in your kit. So I think that's really helpful to have. And of course it says some substitutions may occur. I think it depends on how many kits are ordered and what all they have. So this is the main kit. Excuse the like crinkling, not wrinkling. I feel like I haven't done a like live voice video in a while. I don't know why, but I feel like that. So I feel like out of sorts for some reason. Okay, so this is the simple, the paper kit, the main kit here is basically all simple stories. Yep, it's the Simple Stories Domestic Bliss collection. So you get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which I think this is really cute. And if you guys have been viewing my channel for a while, you know that we just moved into a new home, so it's kind of fitting to have home related stickers or a kit that's home related to go for me this month. And I did not know that's what this kit was going to be. I actually did not see any sneak peeks or anything of it before I ordered it, so I had no idea. So you get a cut apart sheet here, both sides. Another cut apart sheet, both sides, 4x6s. 4x4 cut apart here. 3x4 cut apart here. I like that laundry schedule. And I think this is kind of cute. I have dark hair, so that could technically be me. All right, we have kind of a cream and black polka dot here. Some pie charts on the opposite side. This one's called I Can't Adult. A navy with some hearts that are two-toned. I like this one with like house plants. This one is called Hello Bliss. Or, I'm sorry, Hello Life. The collection is Domestic Bliss. A nice floral with some houses on the opposite side. A green, like distressed wood grain. A plaid paper on the other side. This is Bless This Mess. Oh, the one with the houses was Home Sweet Home. A teal check here with a floral on the back side. This one's called Work It Girl. A yellow tone on tone polka dot with some hearts on the opposite side. That one's Domestic Bliss. Gosh, why do I keep saying that? I think I keep saying this word. It's Domestic Diva. I love this one. I don't know. Give me some pink polka dots. I'm in love. But a pink polka dot and then a stripe with like some stitching looking things. This one's Mom Rules. And then the last one is another floral. And then the opposite side are all of these icons that mimic the sticker sheet. Lots of the same things on here. And that one's called Loads of Fun. So you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pattern papers and 4 cut apart sheets as well as a sticker sheet. So you get 12 pattern papers and a sticker sheet. That is the main kit. That's what you get for the $15.99, but again, that includes shipping. Then the embellishment kit, which was $7 in addition, is Pink Paisley Birthday Bash rub-ons. There's 2 sheets. Lots of birthday things, and they've got a lot of the similar colors. Hey, hey, it's your birthday, happy birthday. Birthday, celebrate, hooray, hooray, birthday, same thing. Celebrate, party, happy birthday, wish, make a wish, birthday bash, celebration, birthday babe, happy birthday, let's go together, or let's get together in enchanted evening, and then some polka dots and some candles. You also get a Maggie Holmes puffy sticker sheet. I believe this is the Chasing Dreams collection. Yes, Chasing Dreams. Very nice. And then you get a Project Life inked rose card set here. There are 2x2, 4x4, and 4x4 cards. And these have frames as well as regular cards, as well as like die cut cards. It says there are 100 cards in here, and that kind of gives you a description, a quick overview. So I think this is going to be an interesting kit to work with. This is a little bit different than what I normally work with when I do kit reviews. I feel like this is very paper heavy because I would consider this to really be paper as well. I think it's very few embellishments though. You've got stickers and you've got paper that you can cut apart, but you really only have rub-ons and one puffy sticker here. You also don't have any alphas, which I think, I'm gonna have to go back and check, but I thought the Domestic Bliss collection from Simple Stories, most of their collection kits, I believe, come with a sticker sheet with alphas. So I think this may be the whole collection, but that sticker sheet, but I'm not 100% sure about that, so I'm gonna go back and check that myself. So my quick overview thoughts at the very beginning are, this is going to be interesting to work with. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to, but I do love all the colors and I love all the elements that are here. So I'm really interested to see what I can create with it. You do get a lot of paper. I mean, 12 sheets of paper is quite a bit of paper to come in a kit. So, and it is, again, one of those more cost-effective kits. But what I am going to be doing, stay tuned because I will have some giveaway details for you guys. I haven't exactly figured out exactly what I'm going to do since this is a US only kit, but I've thought about purchasing a kit and doing a giveaway and shipping it out myself if the winner is outside the US. So make sure you pay attention to the upcoming videos because I will be doing a giveaway, just haven't figured out the details yet. Alright guys, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you, again, check the description box below for a copy to this resource guide so you can see all those details yourself. Alright, thanks. Bye.